Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever wish your WooCommerce customers could reorder their favorite products with just one click? Tired of watching potential repeat business slip through your fingers? Well, grab your coffee or tea. No judgment, because in this video series, we're diving deep into the magic of Buy Again for WooCommerce. This awesome plugin is your secret weapon for boosting sales and building customer loyalty. It makes reordering ridiculously easy, leading to happier customers and a fatter bottom line. Think of it as the easy button for repeat purchases. In this 5-part series, we'll cover everything from installation and setup to customizing the look and feel, and even some ninja-level strategies for maximizing your return on investment. We'll explore how to seamlessly integrate Buy Again into your existing store, personalize the buttons and widgets, and even use shortcodes to place them exactly where you want them. We'll also unlock the power of advanced settings and delve into real-world examples to inspire your own Buy Again brilliance. Imagine the difference. A frustrated customer digging through their order history versus a happy customer effortlessly re-upping their favorite shampoo with a single click. Which scenario sounds better for your business? Rhetorical question, folks. Buy Again for WooCommerce isn't just about convenience. It's a powerful tool for driving repeat business, increasing customer lifetime value, and ultimately boosting your profits. So, are you ready to transform your WooCommerce store into a repeat purchase powerhouse? Stick with me for the next 5 videos, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's get started.